Post-construction borate wood treatment offers long-lasting residual protection for exposed framing and joists against termites when applied correctly. Apply disodium octaborate tetrahydrate as a spray or brush to clean dry, bare wood surfaces for best penetration and retention. Mix according to the product label, typically dissolving the powder in warm water until fully clear, and always measure concentration with a scale or measuring cup rather than guessing. Focus treatment on rim joists, sill plates, exposed beams, floor joists, and the accessible faces of studs, and coat both sides when possible to create a consistent treated zone. Use a pump sprayer with a fan nozzle for even coverage on larger surfaces, and a brush for precise application around fasteners and narrow cavities. In attics and crawl spaces, wear proper respiratory protection, gloves and eye protection, and ventilate the area while the solution dries, which can take several hours depending on temperature and humidity. Avoid applying to painted or sealed wood because the borate will not penetrate those finishes. Treat any splines, cuts, or notches in framing created during renovation, and reapply to new cut surfaces after carpentry work is complete to maintain a treated envelope. Combine borate application with moisture control by fixing leaks, adding ventilation, and ensuring grade and drainage direct water away from the foundation, since borates are water-soluble and will leach if wood remains damp. Keep records of treated locations, date and dilution used so future contractors or homeowners know where protection exists and whether retreatment may be required after major work. Common mistakes include applying borate to wet or painted wood, which prevents penetration and reduces effectiveness, so always ensure wood is dry and bare before treating. Another issue is insufficient coverage, where people only treat visible faces and miss joist undersides or hidden nailing surfaces. Take time to access and treat all accessible surfaces, and treat cuts made after initial application. A third problem is relying on borate alone in high moisture conditions, where the treatment can leach. Pair borate with moisture mitigation measures like repairing leaks, installing crawl space vapor barriers, and improving attic ventilation to protect the treatment. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who can perform post-construction borate treatments and other renovation tasks, and we help contractors find project opportunities in their service areas. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange practical tips, treatment experiences, and product questions.